Media.
In this video, we will see how to download and make a bootable USB with Ubuntu Linux. First, let us go to Ubuntu website from Google search engine by typing Ubuntu and then click on the download link. In the cookies pop-up, click on Accept All and visit the site button. If you scroll down, you can see there are several editions available, such as Ubuntu for Server, Ubuntu for IoT. We will select the desktop version and I am choosing 21.04, which is the April version of 2021. I click on the download button to begin the download. The file size is around 2.6 GB and we will wait till the download completes. Now that the download has been completed, I am going to download RUFUS, which is a small utility software, and this software will make this ISO file into a bootable USB drive. I am typing RUFUS in Google search engine and I am selecting the link rufus.ie. Now I am scrolling down to select the portable version of RUFUS software. Now that the RUFUS software has been downloaded, I am going to insert one USB drive. Since the ISO file is around 2.6 GB and it will be extracted to the USB drive, we have to give minimum 4 GB USB drive or higher. In this scenario, I have 8 GB of USB drive. Now from the download folder, I am going to double click on the rufus.exe file. After it opens, I can see that my USB drive which I have connected, it has been selected there. Now I click on the select button and I choose the ISO file for Ubuntu which we have downloaded. In the partition scheme, we are given with two options. First one is MBR and the second one is GPT. Most of the recent laptops are coming with the UEFI setup, which supports GPT. The earlier version of laptops comes with BIOS and which supports MBR. MBR can support maximum of 2 TB of disk. If you have any disk which is more than 2 TB, then better to go for GPT partition scheme. Now you may give a volume label for your USB drive. Before clicking the start button, you make sure that there's no data in the USB or you have backed up all your data from the USB drive to the other drive. Because once you start the process, all the data will be lost in the USB. So if you have backed up your data from the USB drive, you can click on the start button to proceed further. In the pop-up window, select the recommended mode, which is write in ISO image mode, and click OK button. Now it is going to prompt for the USB format option. Since you have already backed up your data, click yes to initiate the format process and copy the files to the USB drive. Once this process is completed, you can see the green color button at the bottom stating that ready. So you can close the RUFUS software now and remove the USB from your laptop or the computer. In the next video, we will see how to use this USB drive to install Ubuntu Linux into a computer.
Thank you.